Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add products to Shopify from AliExpress. So first, you have to open your Shopify, create an account. Once you're logged in, you have to scroll down and tap on Add Apps. Here on Add Apps, you have to scroll down again and look for Shopify App Store. Now you have to look for the search icon and then type DSers. So why DSers? DSers is the official dropshipping partner of AliExpress, which means it offers stable integration, faster syncing, and better support when it comes to managing your product imports orders. Then what you're going to do here is you have to install DSers and you have to authorize your account. So you have to bind your Shopify account to your DSers right here. Tap this one and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. If you have created an account on DSers, you just have to log in your DSers right here, log in and authorize. And then after that, you have to authorize your AliExpress again. So you need to have your AliExpress. If you don't have one, then kindly create. Now here you have to go with the free version for the sake of this tutorial. And then after that, once you have bind your DSers and your Shopify, it's about time to connect your AliExpress. So once you have your account already, then you need to connect your AliExpress account right here. So enter your email and your password, sign in, and here's your DSer. So what you're going to do here is you have to look the product or any product that you want to push to your Shopify or add to your Shopify, or let's just say import to your Shopify. So you have to look for products here in AliExpress. Tap this icon to import list, add another product again, and then after that you have to click or look for the push to store option right here. Tap this one, make sure that this is your Shopify store account, and then once you have add information here on your DSers about your Shopify products, then all you have to do now is to simply push this products to your Shopify store. So I'm going to tap this push to store and then wait for a couple of seconds. Once you're done here, you can go and open your Shopify, specifically locate products, and then there you will see your products from AliExpress. So that's how you easily add products to Shopify from AliExpress. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.